I never said Mnangagwa won the elections. I said President Mnangagwa is legally the president of Zimbabwe because of the outcome of the Constitutional Court, in which court we had taken him to, and we claimed to have our own evidence to prove to the courts. And unfortunately, the evidence that we had did not convince the courts, and the judgment was given. As a person who believes in the rule of law, whom am I to then stand up and say, I pick and choose judgments? When the judgment is in my favor, I celebrate. When the judgment is against me, I condemn. The courts. As a constitutionalist, I must be consistent. I must be consistent with the rule of law. If there are difficulties, if there are challenges, that's why we're here as an opposition, to fight for the correction of those mishaps in the process of justice. We must continue to fight. I'm not saying the justice system in Zimbabwe is perfect. I'm not saying that. But I must be able to be consistent, to be fair, and to avoid politics when the politics is not necessary. The whole process, Mnangagwa as a president, these are two different institutions. There is a court process, which is the judicial system. There is a ZEC process, which has got mad processes of elections. A lot of things that are not good. This is where we are talking about electoral reforms to be dealt with. I never said Chigumba was correct. I never said Zeki was correct. I still stand by my word that the elections that I declared fake are still fake because they were conducted by ZEC. So here we need to deal with ZEC, to deal with electoral reforms, to deal with election processes. So the processes produced an illegitimate person who then got transformed into the legal person by the courts. So our war as MDC is still there. We want reforms, electoral reforms. We want to make sure that the elections are going to be held free and fair. We want democracy. But let's not just bunch all processes and condemn them. We will not be able to get what we want if we are not specific. So the electoral process which generated President Mnangagwa is flawed. It needs to be dealt with. But the Constitutional Court, which dealt with the legal case, which we went with to court ourselves, declared him legally the president of the country.